From stove to supply, a huge list of words to boost your vocabulary. Stove, a device for cooking or heating. The soup is cooking on the stove. Straight, not curved, or honest and direct. Drive straight ahead to reach the station. She has long, straight hair that shines in the sunlight. Straight, honest, direct, expressing truth or honesty without trying to hide or soften it. She asked him a straight question, expecting a clear and honest answer. I appreciate your straight talk. It's better than pretending everything's fine. Strain, to stretch too much or make great effort. Carrying heavy boxes all day can strain your back. The long hours of studying put a lot of strain on her mind. After running the marathon, he felt a severe strain in his legs. Strain, to filter or drain a liquid. After cooking the pasta, she strained it to remove the hot water. She poured the freshly squeezed juice through a strainer to remove the seeds. Strange, unusual, or surprising. She heard a strange noise outside the window. Strap, a narrow strip used to hold or carry. He fastened his watch strap before leaving. Strategy, a plan to achieve a goal. Their marketing strategy helped increase sales. Straw, dried grass for animals, or a drinking tube. She drank her juice through a straw. Note, strawman can mean a fake person used to hide someone's identity in business or legal matters. It can also mean a weak argument made only to be easily defeated in a debate. Strawberry, a red, sweet fruit with seeds on its surface. We had strawberry ice cream for dessert. Stream, small flow of water or data. A stream runs behind their house. The company generates a steady stream of income from online subscriptions. Street, a public road in a city or town. They live on a quiet street near the park. Strength, physical or mental power. Her strength helped her overcome difficulties. Stress, pressure, or worry. He felt stress before the exam. The teacher stressed the importance of studying every day. Stretch, to make longer or extend. She stretched before running. After the long flight, we got off the plane to stretch our legs. Strict, demanding and firm. The teacher is strict but fair. Strike, to hit something with force. The boxer struck his opponent with a quick punch. Strike, to stop working as a protest. The workers decided to strike for better pay and conditions. Strike, used for clocks or bells when they sound to mark the time. The clock struck 12 and everyone cheered. Strike a deal, to reach an agreement. The two companies struck a deal to share technology. Strike someone as something, to give someone a particular impression. He struck me as a very honest person. Strike gold, to find success or something valuable. The startup struck gold with its new app. Strike up something, to begin, a conversation, friendship, or song. She struck up a conversation with the person next to her on the train. String, thin cord or series of things. He tied the box with string. She won a string of awards for her work in environmental science. He sent me a long string of messages apologizing for what happened. Strip, a long, narrow piece, or to remove. He cut the paper into strips. They had to strip off the old paint from the door before applying a fresh coat. Stripe, a long, narrow band of color. The tiger has black stripes on its fur. Stroke, a sudden brain attack or a movement. She gently stroked the cat's fur. He suffered a stroke last year and has been recovering since. The rower's strong strokes propelled the boat forward. The coach corrected her swimming stroke to make it more efficient. She made a perfect stroke with her tennis racket. It was a stroke of luck that we found the lost keys. Strong, having power or being intense. She is strong enough to lift the box. Structure, the arrangement or framework of something. The building has a modern steel structure. Struggle, to fight or make great effort. He struggled to finish the marathon. Student, a person who studies. The students were preparing for exams. Study, to learn about a subject or examine carefully. She studies English every evening. Stuff, informal for things or materials. There's too much stuff on your desk. Stumble, to trip or make a mistake. He stumbled on a rock while hiking. He stumbled over his words during the presentation, but everyone understood what he meant. Stupid, not smart or foolish. It was a stupid mistake to forget the keys inside. Style, a particular way of doing something or fashion. Her writing style is clear and simple. Subject, a topic or school course. Math is my favorite subject. He quickly changed the subject when she asked about his ex-girlfriend. Submit, to send or hand in something. Please submit your application online before the deadline. Students must submit their essays to the teacher by Friday. Subscribe, to pay for regular access or agree to something. I subscribe to a weekly science magazine. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Word Warehouse, for free and improve your English with every video. Substance, material or matter with properties. Water is a clear and odorless substance. Substitute, to replace one thing with another. You can substitute honey for sugar in this recipe. Subtract, to take away a number or amount. Subtract 10 from 20 to get 10. Succeed, to achieve what you aim for. She worked hard and succeeded in her career. Success, achieving a desired result. His success came after years of dedication. Successful, having achieved success. The project was successful thanks to teamwork. Sudden, happening quickly without warning. A sudden storm forced them to stay inside. Suffer, to feel pain or hardship. Many people suffered during the war. Sufficient, enough or adequate. There was sufficient evidence to prove his guilt. Sugar, a sweet substance used in food. Add a spoonful of sugar to your coffee. Suggest, to propose or recommend. He suggested visiting the museum after lunch. Suit, a set of clothes or to be suitable. He wore a dark suit to the meeting. Sue, verb, to take someone to court for something wrong they did. She decided to sue the company for discrimination. They filed a lawsuit against the government. Sweet, to be convenient or right for someone. This time doesn't suit me. Can we meet later? Suitable, right or appropriate. This movie isn't suitable for young children. Sum, the total amount or result of adding. The sum of 1 and 2 is 3. Summary, a short version of something. The teacher asked for a one-page summary of the chapter. Summer, the warmest season of the year. We usually go to the beach in summer. Sun, the star that gives light and heat. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Sunday, the first day of the week for rest or worship. They visit their grandparents every Sunday. Super, excellent, or very good. The party was super fun. Supermarket, a large store for food and goods. We bought vegetables at the local supermarket. Supply, to provide or give something needed. The company supplies water to the whole city. That's all for today. Keep practicing these words and you'll see your English improve every day.